So ideally, whenever you're supposed to go on an open mic, you get 5 minutes to go. It took me 2 years to write 30 minutes.
Since the whole Habitat incident and everything.
Tamay Raina has busted ass like for some donkey years. लड़कों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. You really know that laugh is like a drug, right? So do you hate Mumbai in general?
Yes, welcome to What's the Point, Varun.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're a stand-up comedian.
Yes, I am. And this is my most common joke. I look like a young Sanjay Leela Bansal.
Oh yes.
Dude, imagine if I was single, I would have been so depressed. I'm married, thank God. कुछ लोग देखेगा ना, इतना गाली देगा ना मेरे को कि ओ तू जाके ज्ञान दे रहा है. Acidity बोल के एक चीज आता है तो 30 के बाद आता है. उसके पहले तुम कुछ कचरा खा लो, सब ठीक है. उसके बाद अरे कुछ तो हो रहा है. हाँ ये खाने से.
Two comedians use dating apps just to test out one-liners.
I know friends who are.
Hello everyone and welcome to What's the Point Season 2. Today we would like to begin this episode with a kind disclaimer. Anything said in today's episode is going to be purely for the purpose of genuine insights, a few lols, giggles, and hopefully some trauma bonding recovery or all of the above. If you're looking for offense, please go touch some grass. Another thing, no religious sentiments or communities were harmed in the making of this episode, and any resemblance or to any situation or real people out there is just the universe being petty. Do not cancel us, guys, because today we have on our show a stand-up comedian, Varun Nair, which is he's a stand-up comedian, which is probably one of the most cancelled professions after being a YouTuber, influencer, and also Shadi DJs. Sorry, guys.
Yes, well done, well done. Exactly to the script. There is no issue in anything. Absolutely fine.
I keep forgetting my
I
lines,
give you
guys.
9.5 out of 10. Absolutely.
9.5. I'll work on the 0.5.
Yes.
Please keep an eye out for the next episode as well.
Absolutely.
It would be 10 on 10.
Awesome. Nice, dude.
Yes.
Nicely done. Nice.
Thank you so much. Coming from a person who performs on stage and on camera himself, I think I really take it as a compliment.
Should. Absolutely.
Yeah.
I
So,
came from
yes, welcome to What's the Point,
Thank
Varun.
you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're a stand-up comedian.
Yes, I am.
And what is it like being a stand-up comedian?
Apart. Okay.
Like today, in today's date.
It is not easy for sure. Okay, I'll give me something very specific to answer. Like, okay, it's wonderful, it's awful, everything is being a stand-up comedian.
I think you're trying to give an insight to people who might be looking into getting into it.
Oh.
So, what would you, as someone who actually does it, like, what is your take on it? How has it been like for you? How did you get into it?
Okay.
First, let's begin with that. How did you get into it?
Don't get into it. Please don't. I'm looking at every camera over here. I don't need more competition. There are young, very, very talented people who are coming in. Just stop, do some other engineering and stuff.
Yeah, doctor bano, guys.
Aage badhe. Haan. So, getting into stand-up would be that the scene started in this, at least in the city, around 2012, 2014, 15. If you remember AIB and all of these guys.
Correct, very raging.
Right. So, at that time, there was no such thing, like, ऐसा कुछ context ही नहीं था. We used to watch stand-up comedy abroad जो होता था.
Right.
But यहाँ होता है, nobody knew, right?
Correct.
So, है ही नहीं तो कैसे aspire कर सकते हैं कि I want to become a stand-up. So, thanks to those guys who created a scene, we thought को चल कर सकते. And at that time, it was like that any funny guy in the group was asked कि अरे कर लेना तू भी ट्राई तो कर करके. एंड वो थोड़ा एक ईगो भी आ जाता है कि यहाँ तो मैं फनी हूँ, गली का शेर है ना मैं, कि स्ट्रेंजर्स के सामने अगर मैं फनी नहीं बन रहा हूँ तो इट इज लाइक वेरी ह्यूमिलिएटिंग. सो एवरीबडी ट्राइड. At the start, I started in 2017.
Oh.
Okay, so it's been, at the end of this year, it'll be 9 years. So yeah, I want to prefix by saying that this is not an insight on how to become successful because we are yet to get there. So this is just my insight.
Yeah,
as she
this
rightly
is a process, guys.
Yeah. So we started it because there are open mics. So the first thing which you want to do if you want to be a stand-up comedian is go to an open mic. Just go and talk in front of people.
Right.
So because दोस्त लोग के सामने joke मारेगा, दोस्त लोग will be like कि either they are very kind.
Yeah.
Or like, अरे तो बहुत funny है. Or they'll be like, my friend like, dude, you're shitty. मतलब, please don't go. Horrible jokes and all. So it can be both. So, but strangers, they'll be absolutely objective. तो वहां तुम्हारा एटलीस्ट जो फर्स्ट टाइम बेइज्जती हो जाता है, मतलब फर्स्ट टाइम यू, सो आइडियली व्हेनेवर यू आर सपोज्ड टू गो ऑन एन ओपन माइक, यू गेट 5 minutes to perform.
Oh.
5 minutes you have to write jokes. 5 minutes, no, these are the jokes which is funny only in your head.
Right.
You go there, first time जाने का, probably if you're lucky, 1 minute of it is actually funny, 4 minutes is garbage.
Right.
ठीक है? तो जो 4 मिनट में जो बेइज्जती रहता है ना, you know, have you ever tried an office or something, तुम लोग ऐसा जोक मारा रहेगा और कोई हंसा नहीं है?
Yeah, I think we've all been in those situations कि like आपने कुछ बोल दिया and everyone is like quiet and you just have to slowly like you know that Simpsons वाला ये thing, when you disappear into the tree, like don't look at me anymore.
Have you noticed all the bosses kind of whenever they don't get a laugh, they will repeat it until you laugh.
Yes.
It is so annoying. वो like सुना, पहले ही सुना हमने, मेरे को नहीं हंसी आया, तू जाना यार, बोल नहीं सकते.
Take the hint already.
Yeah, but they will. You should laugh and move on. But here these people won't laugh. They paid money to watch an open mic.
Right.
So they will not laugh, and it is humiliating. You want to go home and cry. And even after that experience, you want to go back on stage, then it is for you. So if you want to try it out. To anybody, even if you don't want to be a stand-up comedian, it's a good experience to have just in terms of public speaking or, you know, giving presentations and stuff. So that is fun. But being a comedian, so the process, how it works is that, like I said, 5 minutes you wrote, 1 minute is funny. So 1 minute you keep it. You write another 5 minutes. Again, 1 minute is good. 4 minutes is garbage. So ऐसे बन के you create a tight 5 minutes.
So right? It's a whole process of it's a lot of more trial and error than just going on stage and like being funny.
Yeah, it's just humiliation after humiliation every time. And then when you get a tight 5 minutes is when you kill. You know, okay, in stand-up comedy, you say when you are doing very well, it's very violent sounding, I don't know why. You kill when you're like, you know, every joke landed, right?
Slay, guys.
And when people are just losing their mind, we call it destroyed.
Yeah.
And when nobody is laughing, we call it bomb kar diya. Right? So these are the terms which you need to remember. Bombing matlab you just ate shit. That's it. Kill is good, destroy is amazing. So you will kill if you have a really good 5 minutes.
Right.
Then some producers might notice you. They'll ask you, hey, can you perform there and there and there?
Correct.
Then you kind of, you know, build your material to, you know, 10, 15, 20, 30.
Yeah.
Then when you do 30 minutes, you pair up with another comedian who also has 30 minutes. And then you put a show. Then when you So to give context, it took me 2 years to write 30 minutes.
Oh.
Okay. So it is difficult. And also,
it's also a lot about patience, no? Like 100%. You have to constantly go up there, probably fail. Sometimes maybe you might perform
90%.
a 5-minute thing and not a single minute.
Yeah. Most of my first 3 years is that. It's just nobody laughed. And you're like, okay, what am I doing? Then that self-doubt is there.
Correct.
But if you enjoy it, you really know that laugh is like a drug, right? So nothing compares to that. तो तुम्हें वो 4 मिनट याद नहीं रहता जब कोई नहीं हंसा, वो 1 मिनट याद रहता कि कोई तो हंसाया. So that kind of makes you want to go back again. So that happens, and after that, so the funda is that you need to enjoy the process.
Correct.
Because if you're expecting, okay, एक साल में मैं Samay Raina बनेगा, it's not gonna happen. Dude, Samay Raina has busted ass like for some donkey years. वो अभी famous बना है because he has worked a lot. And there may be a chance कि even if you work hard, you might not get success to the level of hard work you do, right?
Right.
So you have to accept that. So I am trying to learn that myself कि नहीं होता है कभी-कभी हार्ड वर्क के हिसाब से, as we all know, कि मेहनत करो, नहीं आता है कभी-कभी.
हर मेहनत का फल मीठा नहीं होगा.
नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं होता है.
कुछ कच्चे आएंगे.
Also, if you're a student, it is much easier because you have a lot of free time.
Right.
I started doing it when I was 27.
Oh.
I already had a job and I was like the corporate person who hated his job, still hates my job. That's why I'm never going to mention where I work, because
so you still work and do stand-up comedy as well.
So I don't have that pressure of, okay, I have to make money off comedy.
Right, comedy.
I have a salary which is happening.
Right.
So, and okay, और एक चीज है, like if you're a college student, if you're just starting out, just do it. Free time है, जाओ बिंदास, hustle जितना हो सकता है, because it is not the same story for everybody. Like there might be a kid, anybody who's very young who has responsibilities.
Right.
Because even thinking that I want to do stand up is itself a very privileged position.
True.
right? Because it needs time, money, and
Yeah.
everything. Because nobody pays you to perform.
So these open mics are like free.
Nothing.
They, like
Because-
nothing you get.
Yeah, because agar समझो कि give me any art form which you pursue or anything which you kind of like, generally.
I don't know.
Anything
I
which
think
comes to mind.
I write sometimes.
You write?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to write, how can you do, how can you get better if you want to get right as a writer?
You keep writing.
You
I think
keep
that's
writing.
something my script writing teacher had also told.
Correct.
You
You
write
keep
every
writing.
day.
Yeah, you write
Write
every day.
garbage, but write.
You read more, right? These are the two things.
Right.
For comedians, we have to get on stage.
Right.
So there is no way I can just sit at home and write better
Right.
jokes, because I'll need to understand ki what is funny across. Like there might be a joke which kills, like for example,
Mhm.
I can tell a very nice jokes about gender equality,
Yeah.
right? Which is like nuanced and smart and whatever. Example,
Mhm.
I haven't written it because I'm not smart. So I can do it. Todi Mills में एक है, यहाँ आगे सोबो पब्लिक जो ऐसा पॉर्श मर्स में आते हैं, उनको वाओ व्हाट अ थॉट, जेंडर इक्वालिटी, सब दिमाग फटेगा उनका.
Yeah.
मैं फिर औरंगाबाद में जाके जेंडर इक्वालिटी बोलूंगा, where a person is like I'm not putting them down, it is
Yeah.
just not something which they are used to.
Right.
That is not what they find funny.
Correct.
मैं वहां जाऊंगा, उसको नहीं समझ में आएगा.
Right.
इनफैक्ट मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आता था अगर मैं कॉमेडी में नहीं होता.
Right.
So you will have to test out your jokes everywhere. Like it cannot be like, oh ये सिर्फ बैंड्रा ऑडियंस के लिए,
Mhm.
ये मैं थाने ऑडियंस के लिए, ऐसा नहीं होता है. There has to be joke which has to work everywhere. So
Right.
even if it is funny, you have to go at every stage. So that is the part where open mic shouldn't pay, because open mic is like I get to
Try all
rehearse
things
and
out.
try
It's
and stuff
like a
that.
rehearsal.
Yeah.
Free rehearsal.
So
free
that is
day.
why it doesn't pay. And plus
Correct.
traveling across Mumbai is awful
Yeah.
and
it is.
expensive. So
Very.
that is something which you'll have to
As
pay
a
on.
non-Mumbaikar, I
Oh,
relate
where are you
hard.
from?
It's in Maharashtra.
Maharashtra only. Oh,
yes.
not Mumbai, no?
Yeah,
Oh,
just
shit.
not Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Yeah, welcome.
But still, like,
Yeah, do you
no.
hate Mumbai in general? This will be a reel now.
please don't hate me, people. But yeah, a little.
See, देखो, it is absolutely your right to hate and love Mumbai.
Yeah, I mean,
Because-
yeah, it's a very love-hate relationship with Mumbai.
I have a very good example of how you want to present Mumbai.
Yeah.
Any adjective you want to put in front of Mumbai, it is true. It is worst, it is best, it is
Yeah.
amazing, it is awful,
Yeah.
it is safe, it is not safe,
Yeah.
everything. तो कुछ भी बोलेगा ना झगड़ने का नहीं, because सही तो है भाई. इसलिए
Yeah.
all good. If you currently hate it, hate it.
Yes.
Next ऐसा बारिश कभी कोई अच्छा लगा,
Yeah.
you love it.
Only
फिर बारिश,
very थोड़ा drizzling.
हाँ.
Great.
फिर थोड़ा बारिश बढ़ गया, फिर
फिर
ट्रेन बंद हो
बाहर पानी
गया.
भर जाता.
Yeah, fuck this, whatever. I can swear, no?
Yeah.
Is it
You
okay?
can,
Beep कर
totally
दोगे
can.
मुझे? It's fine.
नहीं करेंगे मतलब
Very nice.
सिर्फ no.
No.
It's fine.
नहीं
I
नहीं,
think.
अपन religion politics
It's fine.
पूछते ही नहीं.
Yeah.
हाँ, so I was talking about the privilege part, right?
Yeah.
So if there is a kid who has responsibilities, who has to give money back home
Correct.
to hometown, तो कॉमेडी सोचेगा कैसे? बिकॉज वो काम के ऊपर ही सोचेगा ना.
Right.
मतलब दैट थॉट डजंट इवन क्रॉस योर माइंड की पैशन है ही क्या जबकि
Right.
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है.
Correct.
So from I can tell you from my perspective, I have responsibilities. So I
Right.
cannot really, just stop, do my day job, just get into comedy.
Yeah,
I'll figure it
full-time
out.
focus on
मेरे माँ बाप का मतलब जो घर पे जो
Yeah.
hundreds and acres of land है वहां से पैसे आएंगे, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. So you can't do it, dude. So
Right.
there are comedians who can do it. So please keep doing it.
Right.
But the people, everybody has to do the best they can.
Of course.
Worse is for women also in comedy, which is
Yeah.
very difficult because it is mostly guys.
Yeah.
If you can say
very-
any profession, to
any
be honest.
profession, but I think
Yeah.
a profession where you have to go up to
Yeah.
hundreds and thousands of
Yeah,
people.
yeah.
Then again, there's more coming to
Correct.
women. Plus, there's also this. वो तो funny
Yeah,
भी
yeah,
नहीं है, औरतें तो funny भी नहीं
हाँ,
होती है.
dude, you just have to watch Urjita Wani, Fatima Aisha,
Yeah.
Prashasti, and all the other famous people. Dude, there are funny people, but it's
Yeah.
just more difficult because shows खत्म होते हैं 10-11 बजे
Hmm.
और फिर घर जाना होता है.
Yeah.
लड़कों को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. For women, it is kind of anxiety
Yeah.
inducing. So it is always more difficult for them. So इसलिए जब भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ हाँ नहीं hustle, dude, there are 100 levels where if you are able to
Right.
do it, do it. So right now I'm at a point कि just the fact that I'm able to do it itself is a gift for me.
Correct.
Money and everything is like a हुआ तो हुआ because मैं काम कर लूंगा यार, मतलब job है, it's fine.
Right.
But yeah, so the process, I know it's damn cliched, but it is really the journey. And बोल के शर्म आ रहा मेरे को, but it is genuinely the
Yeah.
journey because it's fun. If you really like the experience, then go for it. But you
Correct.
should try it for sure. मतलब even if you have a small inkling कि करूँ क्या, कर ले.
Yeah.
फिर देखते हैं बाद में हगा या नहीं हगा, it's fine, but
Yeah.
at that time if you feel like it, please do it. So
But initially, it is not very sustainable, at least for people who really have
not
to,
at all, not at all.
you know, like have some responsibility or like
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
have
yeah.
that kind of
It
money,
is.
who can not sustain only without money. And if you're trying to do this full time, then
Yeah,
it's going
full
to be
time तो
difficult.
भाई मतलब that is like the top 1%
Yeah.
of, मतलब तुम सोचो 5 साल तक पैसे नहीं आएंगे unless you become viral or something.
Yeah.
Right? Viral is basically lottery.
Yeah,
You
true.
can't really expect and work towards winning a lottery as your success meter. You just have to, I mean, gradually अगर अच्छा कुछ हो गया तो ठीक है.
Right.
Because there are comedians who have been viral in the first 2 years.
Correct.
And then they have lifted off. There have been people like who have done 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. Like for example, Zakir Khan, it took him 16 years to get a following. Like he has been doing it since when? But unko mila ab. But if you look at some other comedians who are now just getting virals and coming in your feed, they have not been doing it since a long time.
Right.
And let's say, for example, winners of Latent.
Yeah.
Suddenly they got famous, right? So they have been doing it for a very small time, but suddenly they got virality. Not like it's a bad thing. It is just कि you cannot really manufacture or guess कि ये कर देगा ना.
will work out and you will go
sort
viral.
bro.
Right.
कुछ नहीं. Just try and figure it out.
So like,
yeah.
Is it also the growth of social media and everyone being on, being content, putting content out there? Because that is also one platform which like really just booms you.
It is.
But again, it's a permutation combination thing. Like, there's no certain formula that this will go viral.
It is the problem na. When I started, there was no reels. I mean, honestly. And it was like, ठीक है, अभी तो I'll tell you when there is a blueprint. Like अगर तुम्हें कोई corporate job करना है, तो तुम्हें पता है कि okay, I get a job, work hard, appraisal, promotion, and then step up. There is a ladder, right? यहाँ कोई ladder नहीं. In any art form, there is no ladder.
True.
So when I joined in, the only hope was I want a YouTube video. पहले मैं एक YouTube video डालूंगा, वो viral जाएगा, फिर भाई मैं बस पैसे, whatever, right? That's the middle class dream. But obviously ऐसा नहीं होता है. So initially, even if you want a very tight, so idea is that अगर तुम्हारा बहुत ही tight 10-minute joke है, you put it out on YouTube. Ideal scenario, it goes viral. People are like, अरे कौन है ये नया अनुभव सिंह बस्सी, right? And people are going mental. I want to see him. Then you need to have an hour of jokes, right? Because तुम 10 minute डाल के every YouTube video is an advertisement for your personal show.
Right.
So you'll need to have a lot of content before putting out content. So that will take a lot of years. So पहले YouTube था, तो we were like, हाँ YouTube. हमने वीडियो डाला, नहीं चला, कुछ नहीं चला, and we were like, oh shit, career is done. Then COVID happened.
Right.
Then we were like, oh, thank God I'm alive to do comedy. ठीक है, forget everything else. Then social media changed. Then reels came, right?
Correct.
Then suddenly, if you notice, virality came on Instagram and not on YouTube.
Right.
Nobody shared any video with you on a YouTube.
Yeah, everyone is just sharing it on Instagram.
Reels. And it kind of screwed with our heads ki we used to write jokes for 3-minute set, 4-minute set. Now we're like 30 second में कौन सा joke बोलेगा? So a lot of comedians are very, very, very good, but they are unable to crack reels because वो joke 90 seconds में होता ही नहीं है.
Correct.
So we're like, ये कैसे करेगा? So we kind of, I mean, it's not a great thing. We had to play by the game. Like, अभी यही है. Distribution channel is the Instagram algorithm. I'm hoping this is relatable. I'm hoping it is funny.
Right.
If the algorithm pushes my reel, great. फिर शायद लोग follow करेंगे. फिर and comedians don't care about followers. We just want people to come to our live shows. So even if I have 1 million और मेरे show पे कोई नहीं आ रहा, it doesn't matter.
Right.
So वो थोड़ा अलग है. So it is not the same like content creators because content creators are looking for followers.
Right.
They just want a following, want engagement so that they can pitch to brands.
Right.
कि चलो collab करते हैं. This is the engagement I can promote. Correct. We are looking for people, butts on the seats. आओ show देखने आओ मेरे को. ये तुम follow वालो मेरे को फर्क नहीं.
टिकट खरीदो.
Yes, 100%. वही उसके लिए कर रहा है ना और कुछ नहीं है. So the motivation for you to do stand-up should be that I want people to watch me, to listen to my jokes, and not just कि अरे this brand will come, I'll get so much money.
Right.
वो रहेगा तो I don't know if you'll be successful. Try it out. हो गया तो congratulations. But मेरे हिसाब से I don't think because दूसरा चीज है longevity maybe because मुझे मरते तक मेरे को करने का stand-up. It is not like कि मेरे को अभी तक करने का नहीं हो रहा तो ठीक है. I'll do it till I can. Right. But there are people who have they look stand-up as a stepping stone to something else. Like if I do stand up, I get virality, then I
Right.
can do acting, and if I do acting,
Right.
you know, maybe not like it's a wrong thing. So
Okay.
if that is the case, then do it. But for me, it is like मेरे को, it's not like I won't do it, but stand up ही करना है until end. Rest everything will, if it comes, great. If it
Yeah.
not, it's fine.
He is open for acting projects, guys.
I am. This is my most common joke. I look like a young Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Oh yes. I
Yes,
have
this is
seen
my
that.
opening joke, dude. मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता. This is on YouTube also.
Yes.
Everywhere I put it. I put it thrice. Public फिर भी आगे बोलता है, सर आपको किधर देखा है? मेरे को घर पे जा साले. मत चाट. बुरा लगता है मेरे को. Dude, imagine if I was single, I would have been so depressed. I'm married, thank God, because मैं अभी मेरा बीवी को भी पूछता है कि यार तेरे को कभी स्ट्राइक हुआ क्या? She's like, अगर स्ट्राइक होता ना, I would have never
Not
married. I
married
was
you.
like, thank God, dude. So yeah, so now I'm okay, but
Yes.
I can be the grandfather role कर सकता हूँ because
Oh.
अभी I'm not young anymore, so I'm fine. I'm like,
I
see,
think they can still pass. I think we have enough
enough
not young
VFX,
actors.
yeah, VFX, right, and de-aging technology to do it. Anyway,
Yeah.
so we digress from the point. So yeah, it is difficult, and you know, it would need the right motivation to do stand up. Shit, dude, ये मेरा दोस्त लोग देखेगा ना, इतना गाली देगा ना मेरे को कि ओ तू जाके ज्ञान दे रहा है. I already feel थोड़ा कि यार वरुण stop talking, like because comedians don't talk very sincerely
Yeah.
for a long time.
Right.
They have to just say some shit.
I
बीच
think
में.
that's what we like about you guys.
I mean, yeah,
For real.
hopefully, but
Yeah.
hopefully being the key word. But yeah, so generally,
Please
to
do,
answer the
please.
question, my entire
Tell
thing
him
is.
in the comments, please.
Thank you. Please do. Please be nice in the comments. I am very sensitive. So, yeah. So, it is difficult, dude. It's very difficult, especially if it's in a city like Bombay.
Right.
And the comedy scene in India is in Bombay, Delhi, and Bangalore, and Hyderabad also.
Right.
Like main. And there is also in Kochi now. There are a bunch of young comedians who are now starting a scene.
Right.
So, अभी तुम कोई और सिटी में रहते हो जहाँ कॉमेडी सीन नहीं है,
नहीं
either
है.
you have to start it, like start open mics, go to a
Right.
cafe, pub और बोलो कि allow us to perform, तो वो कर सकते हो, या तो तुमको शिफ्ट होना पड़ेगा.
Yeah.
But it involves a lot of things to go right. तो
Correct.
it is not like any art form, it's not like a foolproof thing कि अरे ये तू कर and then sort of their life. Remember the time when parents used to say कि अरे अभी पढ़ाई कर ले फिर life.
Life set हो
I
जाएगी.
wish it was true, dude. मैंने पढ़ाई भी
Yeah.
किया, कुछ life set नहीं हुआ,
Yes.
dude. I mean,
Same.
dude, what is happening? ये lifelong learning सब बकवास चल रहा है, मेरे को
Yeah,
नहीं
it
पढ़ने
is
का.
like पूरी journey. Life is an open book. No.
क्या
close the
learning?
book, please. Someone.
सबको generally, are you actually guys you happy to learn the entire life? I want to stop learning. ये नया टेक्निक
Yes, enough. We've had.
डिप्रेस कर देता है.
हम बहुत पढ़ लिए.
यार इतना टाइम पढ़ लिया मैंने, अब मेरे को लगा हो गया. नहीं अभी लाइफ लॉन्ग पढ़. हट यार, नहीं पढ़ने.
This, your entire life is a school.
Yeah,
No,
and now why
please.
should I learn? अभी AI will
How
replace
do
me
I
now.
unadmit from this?
नहीं I don't want to do. मतलब AI अभी मेरे को मेरा जॉब
Yeah.
खा लेगा. अभी मैं AI
Yeah.
सीखूं.
Yeah.
मतलब half the people in the media industry is like shit scared कि अरे
Yes.
AI खा लेगा मेरा जॉब.
Do you know AI can create your video?
Yeah.
I had recently seen something on Instagram only, which was an AI made video only
Yeah.
by some creator.
Yeah.
And like you just have to put your
Put your
voice,
jokes, yeah.
so it will your
we were like-
face and everything. I'm like, wow.
I'm like क्यों करना? See, AI if it wants to remove something which I don't enjoy, right?
Yeah.
Then I'm okay.
Yeah.
निकालो वो सब काम. ये
Yes.
पेपर वर्क, वो
हाँ,
डॉक्यूमेंट,
ये easy करो यार
e-sign,
हमारे लिए.
वो सब हटाओ. मतलब follow up for an invoice to get cleared.
Yes.
ये सब नहीं चाहिए मेरे को.
Yeah, true.
तुमको मतलब
Really.
imagine if you're eating food, okay, you love eating let's say cake, the best amazing cake,
Yeah.
and you're like नहीं AI कर लेगा, but तेरे में nutrient automatically आ जाएगा, so you don't have to eat it. But I enjoy eating cake. Let me eat cake. Why are you
Yes.
replacing that entire
Yeah,
experience?
make and give it to me.
हाँ,
Maybe do that.
correct. You make it. ऐसा फट से
Yeah.
होना चाहिए. But then it will replace the job of people.
The person who makes it.
makes the cake. What
Yeah,
if he enjoys cake?
Yeah.
So my
exactly.
point is stop AI. Immediately, just stop. Everybody is like, वो पता है WWE में tap out करता ना, just tap out and then get out. मतलब हो गया, चलो घर पे आते हैं, अपना रोड बनाओ उधर, वो
Yeah,
ठीक
वो
नहीं है.
बना दो यार, please.
लोकल ट्रेन 10 लोग मरता है रोज,
Yes.
वो नहीं करना है हमको. बोला 10 लोग मरने दो, बट ये जो वीडियो एडिटिंग जो हो रहा है
हो
ना,
रहा है.
इसमें मैं अगर वीडियो अपलोड कर दिया, इसका सैचुरेशन बड़ा हो जाएगा. AI कर लेता, नहीं कर रहे कर लेगा. Sorry, I get ranty.
No,
towards,
it's okay. I think that's much needed. We
Yeah.
should get it out. This trauma dumping.
It's very annoying, dude. I can't imagine. But yeah, it's tough out there, dude. So पैसे कमाओ पहले,
Yeah.
कहाँ से भी पैसे कमा लो, फिर जो मस्ती करना है कर लो.
Yeah.
Because पैसे कमाना अभी तो बहुत difficult है.
Right. Yeah.
And
Stand-up comedy in this economy.
Not at all.
guys.
Not at all. It's the worst. मतलब कोई पैसे नहीं, YouTube पैसा नहीं देता है ढंग से.
नहीं देता.
You know, India is one of those countries who मतलब the same creators abroad get paid more compared
Right.
to Indian creators. तो वो भी है कि यार हम थर्ड वर्ल्ड वाले को भाव भी नहीं देते. But ठीक है, वो content creation cannot be a thing.
Yeah.
So I get a lot of messages. Like I have a niece, nephew
Yeah.
who are like very young, and they want to be influencers.
Yes.
One of them want to be a gamer, or another want to be a YouTuber.
Yes.
Do you know how dumb a word YouTuber is? Dude, क्या करेगा मैं YouTube वीडियो बना, क्या बनाएगा, क्यों बनाना है, किसमें नहीं मैं YouTube, तू कुछ भी, तू ना ये इसका एक टाइम लैप्स वीडियो 3 घंटे का वीडियो में डालेगा, you are also a YouTuber. But it doesn't matter. Everybody wants to be a YouTuber. I'm like,
YouTuber or
what do you want to
influencer.
do? Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm like, this is initially I get it because they think ki this is an easy way out for me to make money,
Right.
which is barely the case in anything. You're just looking at the top 1% who have made
Correct.
it, and you think ki मैं भी कर सकता हूँ. Look at the graves of all those artists who never made it.
But isn't that the formula we have been sold as children? Is like
Yeah.
every time, like look at, you know, every time we
हाँ.
are given examples of the top 1%. कोई
Yeah,
भी
yeah.
profession ले लो.
Yeah.
I think it's like that only then,
हाँ,
even
देखो,
when it comes
actually,
to stand-up
you are
comedy.
right for me also.
Yeah.
I get it. You have to be a little delusional. Okay, because being optimist in this world is being delusional.
Yeah.
Like, there is a genocide happening, wars
Yes.
happening everywhere. We are gonna, I don't know, all of us are now thinking कि मेरा job जा सकता है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
जॉब गया तो पैसे नहीं है तो खाना नहीं खा सकते हैं, खाना खाने के लिए खरीदना पड़ेगा, पैसे नहीं है. तो ये कंपनी जो एआई लेके हमें रिप्लेस कर रहा है, उसका सामान खरीदेगा कौन? Nobody is
Right.
thinking this, right? But everything is difficult, and
Yeah.
you are like thinking कि अरे इसमें मैं कॉमेडी करूं, like यार this is too much. I mean, I get it. So इसलिए if you see पहले when we started out, comedy used to be the cool thing.
Right.
Now, honestly, not many people give a shit. And also, people kind of judge you now because
Yeah.
of all the political stuff which happened and all the insane stuff regarding
Right.
censorship and stuff. So people are, either you are on two sides, either they are like, oh, dude, you're cool, freedom of expression का तुम झंडा लेके घूमो.
Right.
Other people are like, अरे ये अनसंस्कारी लोग हैं
Yeah.
जो ये सब बकवास करते हैं, गाली देते हैं. तो they don't look at you in a kinder perspective. तो वो भी है, तो it is difficult to. तो
Right.
वो पंगा है. Final point is, if you enjoy doing it, do it for your
Yeah.
own fun.
Of course.
If you do not expect money, great stuff too.
Yeah.
Perfect और कुछ नहीं. And also, yeah, one more thing is, if you are very young and if you want to start out doing stand-up, there is a lot of time which is gone.
Right.
Like तुम्हारे दोस्त लोग अगर chill कर रहे हैं, party कर रहे हैं, तुम वो same time पे perform कर रहे हो.
Perform कर रहे. तो
Correct.
you
You're
will be
missing out.
missing out on some things.
You're missing out on a
Yeah.
lot. So that is also something which you need to take care of. Ki
Right.
There has to be a balance, because you are not going to party when you're in your mid 30s like me.
Right.
Like, मेरे को घर जाके सोने का, please. I don't want this nonsense. मेरे को जाने का.
Yeah.
So if party कर सकते हो तो कर लो जितना जल्दी कर सकते
Yeah.
हैं, because उसके बाद भाई acidity बोल के एक चीज आता है, तो 30 के बाद आता है. उसके पहले तुम कुछ कचरा खा लो, सब ठीक है.
Yeah.
उसके बाद अरे कुछ तो हो रहा है, हाँ ये खाने से चिकन चिली और ओल्ड मक और तुम ले लो, तो कोई 30+ का पेट नहीं पचा नहीं सकता है. इट इज अ फैक्ट. जो करना है ना 30 के पहले कर लो.
Yes.
So take it easy. Like, have fun. It's fine. There is insane pressure of everybody having to
Right.
have a, अरे second मेरे पास source of income भी चाहिए करे. भाई first source of income के वांदे पड़े अपना. क्या बोलने का, दूसरा भी लेके आऊँ.
Yeah.
और ऊपर से lifelong learning. देख मैं वापस गाली देगा lifelong.
Lifelong
I hate
learning
it
is
so
a
much.
bitch.
Yeah, it is.
But
yeah.
other than that also, so do you think people also want to get into this profession because it is very, you know, a part of society or a part of audience is always like,
Yeah.
oh, this is so cool.
Really?
Like,
They do?
I think they do.
Okay.
कि
I
this is so
feel-
cool. ये करना है मुझे, because
हाँ.
every time it's like, if you look
हाँ,
at
हाँ.
jokes also, when it comes to dating jokes or something also,
Yeah.
people are like, yeah, the funny guy will take the girl. तुम ऐसे
Oh
बैठे
नहीं
रहो.
bro. अरे
Is that true?
I'll just blow your mind with a huge misconception.
Yeah.
This is something which Veerdas has actually told,
Yeah.
quoted, ki comedian never gets the girl. Comedian always helps the guy
Yeah.
get the girl. So because when we are saying jokes, I know spotlight हम लोग पे है, mic
Yeah.
हमारे पास है, वो second हम cool लगेंगे, light गया, spotlight गया, हम we are back to normal.
Yeah.
But the girl or the guy is laughing,
Mm-hmm.
right? They are in a great mood. तो
Right.
बाजू में तुम्हारा कौन है? Your preferred gender का जो बंदा है, जिसमें तुम्हें attraction है, वो बैठा है. Then you get together.
Yeah.
The comedian is going home alone in a local train. And he's waiting कि अरे लास्ट मेट्रो कब है, वो देखेगा अरे 11:32 फ्रॉम वर्सोवा, वो पकड़ूंगा, फिर घर रात को आके रोएगा थोड़ा, क्या कर रहा है मैं लाइफ में. Comedian never gets the girl. And this is a genuine problem. I met my girlfriend before I started doing comedy. तो मैं बच गया, right? कि अरे because now generally क्या होता है कि comedian whenever they are dating a comedian, the girl if it's like the and I am just talking from a male point of view, female I have no idea. Male point of view क्या होता है कि the girl is constantly thinking कि oh will I be content for him, will I be a source of jokes,
Yes.
कि अरे मैंने ऐसा बोला अभी ये साला स्टेज पे बोलेगा, जो कि मैं करता हूँ.
Yeah.
ठीक है, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा, मैं करता हूँ, but I take permission कि
Yes.
can I make, I will write a joke, I'll show my wife like सुनिए कर सकते हैं क्या,
Yeah.
so like ये नहीं कर सकता है, वो नहीं कर सकता है, this is okay, then I do it.
Yeah.
Consent is very important, guys.
Very, yes.
तो अभी guys का initial dating phase is very difficult because all the time the girl is thinking कि oh will this be content for me,
Right.
and generally also I work in office space,
Yeah.
मतलब नाम नहीं बताएंगे, but even the people who finally sometimes my reel pops up on their
Yes.
feed and then they figure out कि अरे you do stand up, I didn't know, like yeah, and then they are like अरे मैंने तुझे तभी ऐसा बोला था, तू उसका तो बताएगा नहीं ना रील पे. मैंने बोला मैं ये नहीं करता हूँ, मेरा लाइफ नहीं है ये, मैं हर चीज बैठ के नहीं लिख रहा हूँ कि अरे तूने मेरे को ट्रेन में ये गाली दिया था, मैं अभी तेरा, ऐसा नहीं होता यार, मतलब so that becomes a little difficult. So comedian life is initially cool and also I should say comedians are very annoying in general because they are going for the laugh.
Correct.
Every time like ये funny है क्या, ये funny है क्या, it's very annoying dude. Even there are very few people who are like चलो they have a good balance of you know okay कब मुंह बंद रखना है, कब सुनना है. When you start out you are just so insecure, ये funny है क्या, ये funny है क्या, what do you think I'm funny or what? Like I am dating you, I already like you, why are you insecure? No, I'm funny. Like dude, it's very horrible dude. So इसलिए comedians don't get very
so
happy.
did you like shift to that being that when like you said you you already were dating your
girlfriend
wife before you became a comedian. After you became a comedian, did she see a shift in like ये क्या कर रहा है?
I mean I don't want to be see generally I don't talk about my relationship a lot because see I'm very happy and I am not a one who shares a lot of stuff on my social media, but she's the one who kind of pushed me कि तू जाके करके आ गई, and now she regrets it. So now she's like oh shit what have I done, because I'm like oh this is funny. But नहीं generally ऐसा नहीं है because मुझे सिर्फ if I'm just talking about my wife at this point कितना सुनेगा यार लोग, पब्लिक बोले यहाँ जाना है आपस में अभी, because even if any genre if you see I don't want to get labeled as oh this is a political comedian, this is a relationship comedian, ये नहीं करना है, मेरे को सब करना है. I mean people do it, good for them, but मेरे को उतना interest नहीं था.
So like you don't like to stick to one particular genre.
And also I am just 8.5 years in. I think कि I am just understanding कि oh ऐसा करना होता है. Okay, because I cannot stand watching the first YouTube video I have made because I feel like छी क्या गंदा है ये करके. Even the last one I can find mistakes. So now I'm like okay now I can write like this. So I cringe at my previous stuff, but अभी ऐसा है कि okay now this is how I am supposed to write is what I'm learning, and I hope in the next 5 years I will find the stuff which I write now cringy. So that is the hope. But it cannot be just wife and also. And also I'm not like अरे ये चीज पे जोक नहीं मारने का, ये चीज बहुत silly है. Anything which makes you laugh, great joke. No, I mean as long as the audience is laughing, you don't need to care about anybody else's opinion. You're all good.
But then like these days how since the whole Habitat incident and everything, have you ever considered कि okay maybe I must not mention these things, maybe these topics I should just steer clear of?
एक पूरा
because of these things.
there is a book of things which I can never say. क्या अरे नहीं यार, I mean people say कि अरे मेरा freedom of expression मैं तो बोलूंगा ये सब bullshit. मतलब see you have to be at a specific level to do something which is like groundbreaking. Like
Right.
if I have to give you an example, Dave Chappelle, he is one of the biggest comedians in the world.
Okay.
Right? उसको ना Mark Twain Award का प्राइज मिला था.
Yeah.
Right? And it's like a Kennedy Center, Washington में Kennedy Center. It's a very esteemed place.
Right.
तो obviously ऐसा hall auditorium में तुम दारू सिगरेट नहीं कर सकते. He came to receive the award while smoking a cigarette. Right? And he addressed it कि I'm smoking this because I have leverage. And anyway मेरे को देखने का है कि कौन निकालेगा मेरे को यहाँ से. Right? But he is in that position of power to do that. Obviously it is not right, but he can do that. So in our country, even if I have to take risk, right? If I want to say my real feelings about a lot of things, I will not say. Because if somebody wants to come to my place, destroy my house or, keep my family members, unsafe, तो मेरे पास कोई बैकअप नहीं है. मैं मिडिल क्लास बंदा ही है यार, मेरे पास बाप का पैसा कुछ है नहीं, तो मैं नहीं रुक सकता. हाँ मेरा लॉयर आएगा. कौन सा लॉयर? मैं रास्ते पे आएगा. तो आई वांट टू, मतलब आई नो इट साउंड्स वेरी फट्टू टाइप, बट है यार. अभी मतलब लाइक अभी तुम मेरे को बताओ, व्हाई आर कॉमेडियंस आस्क्ड फॉर ओपिनियंस एंड आस्क्ड टू से कि तुम बात करो. तुम क्या, तुम्हारे ईमेल्स पे तुम लोग लिखते हो क्या, जेंटल रिमाइंडर प्लीज सेंड द इनवॉइस. आल्सो आई फील इजराइल इज कमिटिंग. नहीं करता ना तुम लोग. तुम्हारा काम करते हो, हम भी हमारा काम करेंगे जोक्स मार के. बट there is a weird expectation of people saying कि तुम जर्नलिस्ट का काम करो, you are truth to power. अरे क्यों ट्रूथ? मैं जोक्स के लिए आया ना, तुम जोक्स हंस लिया, तुम्हारा काम हो गया. If I do that incidentally, great. So from अभी हमारा सिचुएशन ऐसा है कि हमें मालूम है कि ये सारा चीज नहीं बोलना है. लाइव शो में कभी कभार when we sense the audience, okay, the energy is matching, कि तुमको मजा आता है, तुम लोग ये सारे जोक्स पे हंसते हो, I can slowly थोड़ा बाउंड्री खींच सकते हैं कि ठीक है ये भी मैं बोल के देखता हूँ, बिकॉज आई फाइंड इट फनी एंड एज लॉन्ग एज आई एम श्योर कि ये बहुत फनी. ऑनलाइन नहीं डाल सकता, बिकॉज ऑनलाइन द प्रॉब्लम इज if I am posting it and you all are my followers and I know you all find it funny, ये jokes में तुमको issue नहीं है, तो मैं डाल सकता हूँ. But the screw up is अभी एक algorithm बोल के एक चीज है which pushes to anybody, है ना? तो उनका भी गलती नहीं है, because let's say if I am a person who finds okay, I am a person who finds violence against women not funny. Okay? That is my belief. So if there is a reel or a sketch or a content which makes a joke on violence against women, where the punchline is violence against women. Example, I haven't seen it, but I'm just giving an example. कि वो punchline है कि अरे violence हुआ against women, मुझे funny नहीं लगेगा. And I'll be like shocked कि ये क्या है यार, क्या बकवास है. So I can be like, Arey, what the hell is this? What kind of content? So similarly, if let's say I am joking about my dad, right? My dad's flaws and all. My dad, मेरा बाप के साथ बात हो गया, ठीक है? चलेगा ना ये सब joke? All good. My dad, not all dads. Right. मैंने joke डाला, it came to a person who loves his dad. Yeah. Right? And he thinks the world of his dad. मेरे पापा मेरे best है. वो reel देखा, इधर एक नल्ला comedian उसके बाप के ऊपर jokes मार रहा है, and he is like, how dare you joke about fathers? उसका गलती नहीं है. It is the algorithm which just pushes you into multiple directions. So you can't really blame also. But then the best thing which is like the worst thing which has happened to art is a concept called hate watching. Okay? वो रहता ना कि अरे क्या घटिया देखना है ये करके. भाई ये देखा. It started with Dinchak Puja, if you remember. Dinchak Puja got famous because she was bad.
It was so bad, it was good for people.
हाँ, see this entire thing ना, it was so bad, it was good. उसके वजह से हमारे सबके लग गए, because सब लोग share करने लग गए, and we started, making XYZ person famous.
Then I think that is where it also came up कि any kind of publicity is good publicity.
Yeah, तो problem क्या हुआ मालूम है कि people started commenting negative things, and dude, if you're a woman on the internet, worse, ठीक है, way worse. तो मैं भाई जो भी बोल रहा हूँ थोड़ा pinch of salt से ले लो. तो अभी तुमने कुछ डाल दिया and people are like, I didn't like it or whatever. If you truly hate something, just ignore. That is the best thing which you can do, because the moment you share, you are adding that person को तुम extra mileage दे रहे हो उसका publicity के लिए. तुम्हें genuinely पसंद नहीं है ना, ignore करो, बात भी मत करो. Because you're like, ये देखा क्या, ये क्या गंदा, अरे रेस 3 देखा, कुछ भी दिखा दे, मत बात कर यार, बिकॉज रेस 3 हिट हो गया, उधर वो मालेगांव मूवी फ्लॉप हुआ यार,
going to watch it just to make fun of it.
But it is human tendency कि we love to bitch, no? अपन क्या bitching करते हैं, अरे देखा क्या उसने क्या पहन के आई थी करके, इतना, अरे वो देखा क्या गाली देता हूँ, क्या है ये, ऐसा बोलता है वैसा बोलता है, bitching करने को बहुत आदत है ना, तो we kind of bond on negative emotions उसके वजह से. But the best thing, just shut up, don't ignore, उसको कभी कुछ भाव नहीं मिलेगा, and the right artist which you really like kind of prop them up so that उसको कुछ मिलेगा, because there are good comedians who are there who have been doing the same, like I can say for me, for example, I've been doing it for 9 years. There are comedians who have been doing it from the same time I have. They are way successful.
Right.
Not like कि I am jealous of them. It is just कि journey अलग है ना, कि somebody has put in a lot of hours on this and I am just doing it whatever time I can get after office. तो मैं वो level of skill में पहुंच ही नहीं सकता, because वो genuinely better है. So I cannot get jealous about that person. But the point is, there are actually comedians who have been on it since years, but for some reason, nahi mil raha audience, and it is just sad, and you can't do anything about it. So, agar fans actually kind of, you know, rally towards their favorite artist, not comedians, koi bhi artist रहे दो, ये comedian लोग को थोड़ा overrated है, but any artist, if you kind of, you know, rally towards them, it will be great. Instead of just sharing it, ये क्या cringe है, like मत भेजना, cringe है तो. So yeah, I hope it.
So like since the whole this social media pe sharing and ye has come up so much, and like hate watching has come up so much, we have already seen people approach content creators or anyone, any moderately famous celebs, anything like, oh, I am a big fan. Has anyone ever come up to you to be like, yaar kya bakwas karte ho yaar stage? Has that happened? Like how, like an offline version of a troll? Have you like ever had that?
Yeah. So I had, this is like before COVID, we did a show. We used to do a show called Quarter Life Crisis, where my friends Siddharth Shetty, Aditya Gundeti, we used to do a show, 20 minutes. We used to do it together. So one of the shows, there was this couple. तो मेरा गलती था, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा है नहीं है. So I had a joke about average looking guys. मतलब it's like my face is not like अरे क्या छावा है नहीं बोलेगा, but क्या गंदा दिखता भी नहीं बोलेगा. This is that level. So I was saying something very okay joke. So there was a couple sitting there, and I just said ki, sir, you know what I'm talking about, right? And everybody laughed and ho gaya. And then I did a lot of jokes about stuff which you cannot say anymore, right? At all, like religious jokes or jo bhi hai. But ho gaya. And then the couple stood up and then was like, ki, how dare you say all of that? And mujhe laga ki, oh shit, उसको वो ये religion पे कुछ issue आ रहेगा, तो मैंने sorry बोलना, अरे really sorry if you're offended by XYZ joke. Like नहीं, वो तुम मेरे को average looking कैसा बोला करे? And मैं हंसे को इसमें problem है, भाई मैं क्या बोला तेरे को? Dude, I was mind blown. And then my other friends kind of escalated, अरे कुछ नहीं बाहर जाओ करके, and then they took them away. Like, you cannot speak like this. But I was just laughing कि तेरे को इस पे offense हुआ. So then that's when I realized कि offense can come from anywhere. There is no reason कि ये X, Y, Z. No,
nothing. It's not about what things you say. It's just about what touches people where.
Correct. You notice how I'm not even saying the words also. I'm saying X, Y, Z. Because अपने कोई channel demonetize नहीं कर रही है. She's also saying specific things.
Don't cancel us, guys.
Yes, cancel, demonetize, some problem with that.
Everything.
So yeah, that has happened once, and there was a time where we had sold 5 tickets. This was this glory days of comedy. So this is what 5 people coming in is great. हम लोग 5 लोग में सब shows करते हैं.
You continued. You did the show.
We did the show. I mean, dude, बहुत होता है. मतलब we're not famous. Like 5 लोग is like, see, 5 people gave us time and money to entertain them. We will give, because 5 लोग है ना चलेगा. 2 लोग रहेगा तो उन लोग awkward हो जाते हैं. Like we will cancel. 5 is fine. So 5 people came in, and we had tried doing in Malayalam at the time. Now we don't anymore. But so what happened is, there was 2 auntie लोग आए थे, तो जो बेटों ने खरीदा था उनके टिकट्स, एंड कुछ क्रिकेट मैच चल रहा था, तो लाइक अभी नहीं देखने गया, मम्मी लोग को भेज दिया, बिकॉज मलयालम में. And aunties had no idea what kind of stuff we talk. We are just talking Malayalam, so they thought कि family friendly होगा. It was not. and they were visibly uncomfortable,
Right.
and we could see that. So I was about to go on next. I was gonna close the show. मतलब मैं last था. तो मैं just जा रहा था. They were like, "We want to go."
Yeah.
And I was like, "Hey, ma'am, please go. Absolutely fine. It's all okay." And then suddenly a flying cockroach came in and sat on her lap. And the way she ran, dude, I'm like, ये वो ना कभी भी अगर मेरे को किसी ने ऐसा I have some followers on Instagram. There are very sweet people who
Yes.
kind of message me कि अरे
Yeah.
you are great. And मेरे को थोड़ा ego आने लगता है कि अरे मैं भी है, मतलब मैं ऑफिस में रिप्लाई नहीं कहा, हटा, कौन है तू, मैं ना. Then I think about this memory where women ran away because of cockroach came. तो मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा objectivity मिलता है, मैं औकात में रहता है. And नहीं, and
Very humbled.
humble औकात, dude, बॉम्बे पैर तोड़ के हाथ में देगा तेरे को अगर तू उड़ने लगेगा तो there is no way you can be cocky. And नहीं, cocky हो ही नहीं सकता because
Right.
Every joke will be bad and good. Whatever you write, 50% of it is bad.
Right.
So you can, even if you're the best comedian in the world, humiliation will come even if you're really good.
Yeah.
So because they do a joke, they will write a new show and उसमें से 30% is मतलब absolutely bad. तो उनको बुरा लगता है अभी भी उतना ही, तो वो humiliation जाएगा नहीं तो how
Right.
will you be cocky, ना?
So
तो
like
possible ही नहीं.
you have to like really have a thick skin
हाँ
when it comes to stand-up comedy.
हाँ dude.
Yeah,
मतलब
being
मेरे
a
को
stand-up comedian. Also
thick
like
skin.
or even if you're on the receiving end, a
Yeah,
little,
yeah.
I think.
नहीं and नहीं वो personal style भी है. I know what you're saying कि when they roast the
Yeah.
audience and everything, ना, तो I don't like it.
Yeah.
I don't
So
like
you're not into crowd work as such.
not much. And the
Yeah.
crowd work will be on the things which we discuss, not on the person.
Right.
Like I won't say, oh, you look like this.
Mhm.
Because as an audience, I don't like it. If I was sitting in the audience, it's a personal belief,
Mhm.
because there are comedians who do it because the audience enjoy it.
Right.
There are people who have been disappointed कि अरे मेरा नहीं मारा तूने मैं उसके लिए नहीं आया, तेरे मारने के लिए नहीं आया मैं. तो वो भी है, but I personally don't enjoy when I am paying money. मैं 2 घंटा ट्रैवल करके थाने से आओ बैंड्रा तेरा शो देखने के लिए और वो मेरा इज्जत निकल रहा है. मतलब ये क्या बात हुआ यार, मेरे को पैसा दे वापस.
I think
I
I've
don't want
seen something like this on I think reels पे दिखता है ये सब
of
ऐसे
course.
कुछ in some show. I don't know what show it
Yeah.
was. I don't remember anything, but I think it was a clip of some comedian doing a crowd work and he said something to someone from the
Yeah.
audience and that person lashed out. He was like, मैं ये सब सुनने इधर नहीं आया, चुपचाप जोक बता.
And नहीं हो सकता है. And I think कि फिर comedian कुछ बोला भी रहेगा where everybody, because वो hecklers बोलता है ना.
हाँ.
But I don't enjoy it. तो मैं personal चीजों पे जोक नहीं मारता.
Right.
We'll make fun, have fun together.
Right.
But it will not be like अरे you look like an idiot, ये क्या घटिया दिखता है. मेरे को मजा नहीं आता तो मैं करता नहीं है. But
Right.
that's a personal thing. It is not like a rule कि ऐसा ही करना चाहिए. So
Right.
it is fine. But yeah, but the thing about the problem with working in a office and doing comedy is comedy you feel great. You
Yeah.
feel कि अरे
Yeah,
मतलब-
then do you have उसकी यार अब कल जाना पड़ेगा यार.
वो
वापस
100%
उसी
every
जाके
Monday.
डेस्क पे बैठना पड़ेगा.
Monday is always bad. Always bad, especially if you have a great show.
Universally.
Yeah. नहीं सबके लिए, but प्रॉब्लम है कि मेरा अगर कोई वीकेंड अच्छा शो हो गया,
Right.
लाइक आई डिड क्रेजी, पब्लिक पागल हो रहा है, फोटो वोटो ले रहा है मेरे साथ, लाइक क्या है इज्जत है अपन किधर, कौन है तू, मतलब ऐसा घर पे प्लेट वेट पे लात मार रहा है, चल निकाल ऐसा सब, बिकॉज मैं ना बेस्ट. फिर ऑफिस में आके ऑफिस आएगा ये जेंटल रिमाइंडर थे, लाइक आ गया ना औकात. देन यू वो एक थोड़ा एक बोलता ना
Right.
ब्रेन वायरिंग थोड़ा टाइम लगता है मंडे को. मैं बोला कल तक तो मैं हीरो था यार, अभी तो साला बॉस का गाली खा रहा हूँ. वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है. बट देन ऑफिस में वही है ना, मेरे को सैलरी मिलता है और मैं वो सोच के
That's
काम
the
करता हूँ.
motivation there.
Yes, 100%. घर चलता है मेरा.
Yeah, it makes sense. I
Yeah,
think now I really like want to ask you like कैसे manage कर लेते हैं आप being a male?
हाँ.
You also have a wife. आपकी wife support करती है?
Wow.
मतलब you manage a job, stand-up comedy and a wife.
नहीं.
Support मिल जाता है?
हाँ dude, नहीं देख, एक तो first of all, it is not feminist to say manage a wife. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Youth people,
Yes.
this is not right. नहीं, I'm just kidding. So, नहीं, wife is supportive
Right.
because she thinks कि I am gonna be, मैं कभी तो नाम करूंगा, उसको ऐसा लग रहा है. This is like those stocks, you know, कि अभी पैसा डाल रहा है, कभी तो रिटर्न आएगा ना. That is what her hope is.
Right.
I don't believe it, but one day I think she thinks it's gonna happen. So there is some
Oh.
support. Office is difficult too. I won't lie.
Yeah.
मतलब, if I mean, there are a couple of friends who are comedians who are doing well also. They also have day jobs. But it becomes very difficult because you are not an employee 24/7.
Right.
You are an employee for 9, 10 hours, 12 hours, whatever. But we are comedians full time. So we have to turn it off in office. Because there are a lot of people in office who are like, तू तो चुप बैठता है, YouTube में ऐसा रहता है. मैंने बोला, मैं अगर मुंह खोलेगा ना, HR मेरे को निकाल देगा यहाँ से. तो इसीलिए मेरे ही भले के लिए it is difficult. It's not fun. I don't know. We're just doing it. मतलब I don't know if I should be. I don't think any HR is going to listen to this. But अगर मेरा कॉमेडी करियर चल गया ना, मैं कभी नहीं आएगा. मैं नोटिस तक नहीं देगा. मैं बोला, मैं कल से नहीं आ रहा है, देख लो. That is ideally.
But like, does that like do the personalities just slip out sometimes on days? And
yeah. हाँ, वो मुंह से निकल जाता ना. And then it becomes very weird because suddenly it's like a बोलते ना बाइपोलर डिसऑर्डर जैसा हो जाता है कि अरे ये ऐसा क्यों बोला गया. तो मतलब आई डोंट नो हाउ टू से दिस बिकॉज आई हैव क्रिएटेड मेरे ऑफिस में द वर्क स्टेशन इज वेरी बोरिंग बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू बी हियर. मैं जितना काम दिया मैं निकल जाता हूँ. मेरे को किसी के साथ कुछ नहीं करने का. तो सम पीपल टोल्ड मी कि अरे योर वर्क स्टेशन इतना बोरिंग क्या है, लाइवन इट अप, पोस्ट इट रखो करके. तो मैंने पोस्ट इट लिखा, whoever is reading this, you suck. If you are reading this, you are not rich. Why do you waste your time reading post-its? ये सब लिख के छोड़ दिया था मैं. And then like ये सब क्या है? तो then I was like, you know what, this is, मैं निकाल लिया सब और रख दिया. But वो होता है because तभी सब थोड़ा खुजली आता ना कि want to irritate and annoy this person. तो वो नहीं होता है. But it is tough, but it's okay. It is not like the worst problem currently in the world. So it is okay. I have that kind of understanding.
Yeah. But so like all in all, so you do plan on, you know, if at all you like boom and anything, and you do plan on.
I feel on a very conservative. मैं 50 साल का होगा ना तो मैं I think full time कर दूँ. I feel. मेरे हिसाब से. I am hopeful.
So that's your retirement plan. Stand up comedy.
Yeah, 50.
Full time.
देखो 50 पे तो मेरे को थोड़ा मेरे पास 70,000 followers आ जाए. So जब मैं 50 साल का है. So I have 15 more years to do that. तो 15 साल में और 15 साल में तो कुछ तो फॉलोइंग आएगा. तो फिर मैं फुल टाइम कर लूंगा. आई हैव फुल बिलीफ. बट उसके पहले तो आई एम रिजाइन टू द फैक्ट कि भाई मैं ऑफिस ही जा रहा हूँ. कॉमेडी करते रहूंगा. बट ओके.
नो, आई थिंक यू विल बी देयर सूनर.
नहीं, आई कीप माय एक्सपेक्टेशंस लो. रूल नंबर 1 ऑफ कमिंग टू मुंबई, ऑलवेज कीप एक्सपेक्टेशंस लो. ड्रीम बट औकात इधर ही रखने का. वैसा.
राइट. ओके, द सिटी ऑफ ड्रीम बट
yes, keep expectations very low.
So we have a game segment. I'll ask you the most searched questions about your profession, but I'll say generally stand-up comedy itself, not just the profession. It's only 5 questions.
Okay.
Silly questions, but
sure.
See fit however you can answer.
Sure.
So the first question is, do stand-up comedians laugh at their own jokes in the mirror first?
Mirror? Sometimes yes.
Yeah.
Sometimes yeah. अरे तो क्या लिखा है भाई? Oh shit. Too best है. And that joke always bombs. Always. कि बोले ये तो भाई वरुण वीरदास को खा जाएगा. तू क्या लिखा है भाई? फिर उसके बाद तू खानेगा.
Do comedians use dating apps just to test out one-liners?
I know friends who have. I know friends. I haven't been on a dating app. आया मैं जब भी dating मेरा गर्लफ्रेंड से मिला उसके बाद इंडिया में आया डेटिंग ऐप. सो या आई एम जेन्युइनली लकी. बट आई नो फ्रेंड्स हु टेस्ट आउट लाइंस एंड द गर्ल इफ शी रिस्पॉन्ड्स, आई नो अ साइकोपैथ who doesn't want to date. Who doesn't want to date at all. He just matches with some girl, tests out one liner. The girl is like, that's so funny, unmatched. हो गया मेरा.
My God.
Yeah, I won't say his name, but
yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
If a stand-up set goes viral for being bad, I think we spoke about this. Is that technically still success?
Yeah, unfortunately, like you said, any publicity is good publicity. हो जाता है यार. पैसे देखो, अगर तुम्हारा point of view, if you coming from a middle class or lower middle class background, dude, if you are getting paid money and like one medical expense will not तेरे रास्ते पे नहीं लेके आ रहा है, that is success. कहीं से भी आ रहे तो पैसे, कोई problem.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Can you sue an audience for not laughing?
Yeah. If I could.
Would you want to?
नहीं यार. But that happens only, honestly, mostly जब भी कोई भी comedy show में आते हैं ना, they want to laugh.
Yeah.
Like if they don't laugh, it is our fault only.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we can never say कि अरे
right.
audience
people have come there
paid
expecting
money.
laughs.
Yeah, it always is bad at a private show. Like ऐसा corporate show office में बुलाते हैं ना, मतलब वो that most of the time goes bad because they are not in a mood to laugh also. और comedian try कर रहा है, hey guys, like जाना चुपचाप वो 4 मेल भेजने का करके, तो वो mentality में तो हंसने को मन नहीं करता. So that is the only time. Otherwise, audience is nice.
Okay.
So it's fine.
Yeah. This is like a last question, but have you ever started doing crowd work and realized the crowd was funnier than you?
Oh, it happens sometimes.
Yeah.
It does happen, and then you laugh, dude. Because what can you do? Because मैं पहला हंसता हूँ अगर वो genuinely funny है. Like कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि audience ने मेरे को जोक दिया है कि मैंने बोला ये तेरा better line में ले लूँ क्या करके. Genuinely हुआ. Sometimes it happens, very rare. But when it happens, it's actually fun because ऐसा नहीं कि audience is looking at you कि ए तेरे को नहीं आता है, इसको आता है. ऐसा नहीं है because the atmosphere is like that कि everybody wants to have fun.
Right, I think that's a very positive space. So like everyone is coming with a mindset कि yeah, you go girl.
Yes, 100%. So comedy show, it is like anybody who's like first time अगर कोई देख रहा है वगैरह, I would always recommend, no matter what comedian, the live show is like 1,000 times better than any reel or a stand-up show because there will be stuff which happens in that moment and it can never be replicated.
Right.
And वो community वाला feel है कि तुम phone में देख रहे हो, you just smile, अच्छा था, share. But in a audience of like, 50, 60, 100, how many other people?
Yeah.
You laugh, you feel the entire energy together.
Right.
So that is to alag level. And then we feel great. And then go back to home. Then we
I
cry.
think I've not been to many live shows.
Yeah.
I think I've been to only 1 or 2.
किसको देखा?
I think only one. I went for Varun Grover's.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And it was so nice. I was like, yeah. I was very glad. Like,
the bar is very high. Yeah. There are only 3 Varuns. Grover, Thakur and Nair. In that, मैं बोलता ना, skill level पे बोला.
Right. Yeah, but it was a wonderful show. I enjoyed, and like it's so nice sitting in that space, and you're laughing with strangers, people I don't even know, and I'm still laughing around them with them. Like when you laugh in a group or anything, you are always turning to your friend and doing this. But there it's like just turning around, like everyone is laughing and everyone's like yeah.
Varun Grover, यार तुम best देख लिया मतलब जो भी. Yeah. But any show, even if you are not a fan sometimes. मतलब the ideal scenario where you can decide how to watch a stand-up show. This is just मैं बता रहा हूँ कि तुम कैसे choose कर सकते हो. Book My Show खोलो, comedy shows देखो. You check out which is the show which is near you or is okay with your time. If you see it's a solo show, Google his name or her name in YouTube and Instagram. थोड़ा उसका देख लो, vibe क्या है. अगर तुमको पसंद आ रहा है, टिकट बुक करो. नहीं पसंद है और 50 और है, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो आ ही जाएगा. That is how you can watch. So,
are you doing any shows? Planning to do?
I have a show. I don't know when this is going to be out. I have a show in Khar, my solo show on 5th July, which is next Saturday. This is going on Khar. But I'm not sure. So follow me on Instagram. I'll keep posting show. तो मैं करता रहूँगा. But
yeah, that was all for us. It was a wonderful conversation.
Nice, man. I had a lot of fun.
Yeah, me too, actually.
Yeah.
Yes, this was very fun, and please do follow him. Follow us, guys.
Yes, appreciate it.
And that was all. We are at a wrap for our show. Please follow Varun Nair. Follow us on YouTube, on Instagram, and comment us what was your favorite moment from this show. And share this episode, guys.
Yeah.
If Varun's friends are watching. Please do your bit, guys.
Comment nice things. Platypus comment करो अगर तुमने यहाँ तक देख लिया रहेगा.
Right, guys. If you watch the whole thing, please comment Platypus.
पहला comment मेरा ही रहेगा. बाकी किसी ने नहीं देखा रहेगा. मैंने तो देखा.
Yeah, please give people FOMO so that when they see Platypus in comments, I think
Platypus and
what क्या था ये show में? क्या बात कर रहे थे ये लोग?
Cool.
Right. Yes, that was all, guys. We drop new episodes every Friday. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're always reminded of when we drop a new episode. Thank you.